Rotary's FlexMax is putting the power in the palm of your hands, giving you the ability to lift vehicles at any column or from anywhere in your shop. Powered by Red Fire, FlexMax gives you the ultimate in lifting versatility. They're easy to use, fast to set up, and can lift nearly any class of vehicle. Other mobile columns require cords, keys, or chips, slowing down the lifting process. But with FlexMax, just position the column, flip the switch, and the remote control will automatically sync, minimizing critical setup time while maximizing your shop's performance.
The thing that really stood out to us was the remote control. You can have the columns under there, everything kind of set up and going up within just a matter of, minutes.
Whether using 2, 4, 6, or 8 columns, technicians can move freely around the bay during the lifting process, ensuring that all is well from any angle. Also, every FlexMax features digital height and weight gauges, lock lights to show when a lift is on its locks, and our patent-pending remote control system. Stop wasting time and money. Take the next step in controlling your lift with Rotary's FlexMax.